Wow, what an enormous mess I've got going on here. Only one vacuum and one thing with a tripod. Why do I call it a thing? Extension one with a turbo brush at the end that doesn't work very well with an oddly duct tape tripod because it's crappy duct tape and it always rips in the wrong spot. So, hi guys, it's me, Vacuum Smith here, and look at this enormous mess I've made here. I got some dirt out yesterday, and then I put it in my homemade dryer that I made real quick. You can see that's the bucket over there for it. And, sorry, I gotta sneeze. Okay. So I dried up all this dirt and whatever, and then I sifted it and made it fine and whatever, and I got some chips and paper shreds and ground it up. And this is going to be another point of view vacuum video. Point of view. And in the last video I said POV, which stands for point of view. Sorry if you didn't quite understand that, but that's what it is. So I will put you in here. Actually, I'll just skip to me vacuuming. Away we go. Oops, sorry. Okay, we're up and going again. I had to empty the bag. Oh, it's just barely going. Unfortunately, this vacuum cleaner is disqualified from the test. What a shame. Well, it would keep on going, but I don't feel like emptying the bag over and over again. And I really like this vacuum cleaner. It's not made for this, and I'd rather not ruin it. But I know a vacuum cleaner that can probably easily cope with all this. And it's something that all the fans will like. It's a 2008 vacuum. At least I think it is. This magnificent beast right here. There's a bit of a story behind this. This wasn't my first vacuum. I was just bored. I wanted to get a vacuum. That's gritty. This thing needs a clean afterwards. Oh my lord, the vibrations is making you guys all blurry. everywhere. Let me just pause you guys for a second. I'll come back when I'm finished. You see what I had to do here? So, if anyone's still watching, bye, and see you next time. I forgot to say guys. I don't know.